Where'd it go? Must have been my imagination. Oh, the bee's still here! Yo! It was. My hand. I'm in. Bruv! Oh, Scott! Yo, I was seeing something, bro. It was like pink. It was like. Well, we gotta go to the hospital for my hand, bro. I think I broke it. I think I broke my hand, bro.
I'm gonna book the appointment, but I have to walk over there.
Alright, bro. I'll come with you, bro. Go! I'm not good.
Miss, please. My friend, he's
Oh, just get this already, bro. My hand's hurting. My hand, bro.
I'm the doctor. I'm gonna give you like pain medication go away, and then I'll put you in
No, this not gonna, I need some medicine, bro. Can I get schizophrenic out? Why is my neck? Can I get schizophrenic out? Medicine too, bro. Oh my shit, bro. Alright, put this on me, bro.
Bro, get this one.
Oh, this hurts, bro. So what the fuck do we do now, bro?
I'll go back to the office.
Okay, bro. Alright, bro. It burns. It ding burns.
Hold on, sir.
Give me the goddamn medicine. It's broken, bro.
Oh yeah, here's one.
Oh yeah. It's all over my face too. Okay, bro.
I'll put it.
Okay, bro. It burns, bro. It burns.
Sir, are you photographing?
What, bro?
Photographing?
No, bro.
Alright, sir, we're gonna, have to pack you up here.
What you mean? Where am I staying at?
Oh.
Oh my god, bro. Okay, I got this. I just gotta wait, what, 2 months? A month? For it to heal. And I'll be A-okay and able to get back to work. Where's you, little baby boy? I'm just gonna sleep.